Hi guys, now welcome to Trader Tips. Today we're gonna look at a stock called International Paper Company (IP). The stock is trading today is 48.86 and up 0.52 cents, and after hour it went up 0.92 cents and 1.88%. Let's see what they do. So International Paper is a product of renewable fiber-based packaging, pulp and paper product with manufacture operation in North America, Latin America, Europe, North Africa, and Europe. The company operates through two segments, industrial packaging and global cellulose fiber. The company manufacture of container board in the United States. Its products include liner board, medium, white top, recycled liner board, recycled medium, and sorting craft. The company's cellulose fiber product portfolio include pulp, market, and specialty pulps. So they basically just do, like, those packaging or the small or medium or large industry. And so their forward dividend is 1.85 and 3.79%. And let's see Google Finance. The year range is 43.87 to 61.79. And let's see their income. The revenue for the year is 5.71 billion, up 11.54%, and net income is 864.00 million. So this is my opinion is very good for long-term investment. The price can appreciate, and also the dividend accumulation can give you a long-term money. The cash on hand is $2.12 billion. So they have a lot of money to invest. And what did Warren Buffett said about investing long term? If you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Put together a portfolio of companies uh, whose aggregate earning march upward over the years, and so also it will the portfolio's market value. So this is how he make money, finding company, a good company, and trading in the under the market value. Then he buys it and hold it for a long time, and this is how he make his $1 billion. My opinion is a long-term investment. This is a very good stock to own, but it just my opinion, no advice. As always, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.